Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at two smaller shops that I ordered some stuff from. One you've already seen me use before, and the other one is new to me. But I've seen it on Instagram a whole bunch of times, so I figured I'd try it out. So we're going to start with the one you've already seen me order from before, and that is created by Christine. Always such cute boxes. I did order washi tape. I did already swatch it. So here they are. And this is what her tops usually look like, but I had trouble getting them to stick back on this time. I'm usually good at that. So we'll look at those in the book in a few. Okay, so thank you card. That's always cute, right? And let's see. Oh, we have more of this paper stuff. Seriously, I should stop throwing this away and save it because Easter. That's really... Alright, so yeah, so I did go a little crazy with a couple of things. Alright, so this is a vinyl sticker, which I think I ordered. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I ordered that. I don't know. I'll pop up text because I'm going to have to go back and find my order. And then this she does include with her orders because I got one last time. So that's a cute little sticker. It says be kind. It's a bunch of hearts. Alright, now we've got a bunch of stickers. She's got this cute backing for it. This was a release day, and she does like all these really cool vinyl stickers, and she makes all this cool stuff, and like I can't make up my mind what I want to get. So I believe this is a bundle of stickers. I don't remember. I don't think I ordered them individually. I think I just bought like the get them all thing, but I'll pop it up on the screen because I don't remember. So this one says you look good with the flowers, which I think is really cute. And we've got some oranges. And, oh, maybe I did buy these individually because there's two of these because I thought that was really pretty. The, like, pink to orange tan kind of ombre thing going on there with the flowers. And then be cool, be kind with these ice pops. And be here now with this nice outdoorsy background. So those are really cute. And I'm just going to put them all together. And then the other thing I got was Post-it notes, which if you think back over all the Post-it notes I have, you're probably thinking I'm insane. But these were really cute. And it was a good deal if you got 4, I think. Yeah. And they're just really cute. So I like them. They have that nice white space for writing. So these are like the ones that used to always come in the DEK sub boxes. They haven't been lately. I don't know why. Maybe they just wanted to switch things up. But I like them, so I grabbed 4 of them. So, like, I use these things all day long. In regular life, I use them for work. I use them for my social media planner. I use them for all sorts of things. So this is really a drop in the bucket of the number of sticky notes I will use this year. But I know you guys are always seeing me buy sticky notes. It's probably like, oh my god, don't you have enough? But I killed off like 4 of them this week alone. So, no, not really. Let's see. Okay, so I used Christine's business card to mark her page. This also comes in the box. Isn't that cute too? Okay, so these two are the new ones. So this one's called Easy Breezy and this one's called Sorbet. Aren't they pretty? So they go with my other ones that I already have. So now I have 5. And I anxiously wait the next release. I don't know when that will be though. Christine's been doing like some kind of outdoor farmer's market. She posted it on Instagram. It's pretty cool. And she is a teacher here in New Jersey. So she's going to be really busy really soon. You guys should check her out on Instagram and check out her shop. She's got a lot of cool stuff. She's got drinkware, more washi, more stickers, all kinds of keychains. I showed you guys that really cool rainbow keychain I bought. I love that. So I would check her out. I think her stuff is really good. She's very nice. And she makes good stuff. And her Instagram is seriously entertaining. Okay. The next one is the new shop. So this is Willow stickers, which you may or may not have heard of. It's owned by Wendy, and she has an Etsy shop, and I think she might have a website too. And I don't remember which one I ordered off of, to be perfectly honest. But I had been talking to her because I had a dilemma, and the dilemma was this. So for my August monthlies, I could not buy the on-site kit from DEK like I usually do for my social media planner because it had bees all over it and it was yellow. Oddly enough, I would have dealt with the yellow if it didn't have bees on it. So, you know, I'm the oddball because I'm allergic to them, therefore I am afraid of them, therefore I don't want to stare at them all week, or all month in this case. Can't really blame me for that. So, like, August 26th is a honeybee day because I do have the wacky holidays from DEK. That one will not be going in my planner either. So I couldn't buy that. So I have the one from my sub box for my catch-all, and I needed a replacement. And as soon as the August one came out, I knew I needed a replacement because I was like, I'll get the wacky holidays, but I cannot deal with that. So I was looking around, and Wendy's stuff looked sort of similar, but you know, it's like the internet, so you can only see so much. So I was like, well, let me try this out because I've been looking at her stickers on Instagram all the time. So this seemed like a good opportunity. So, and I talked to her that day because I couldn't figure out which thing I had to order to make it fit my happy planner. So she walked me through that while dealing with her kids, which was awesome. All right, so we'll start out with the freebies. So this was an all orders freebie, and then this was if you spent 25 bucks, you got this one, which is, you know, nice, useful icons. And this one's, you know, who doesn't need more boxes? And then she did send me like this huge, like it's thick thing of like samplers and stuff, but there's a lot of discount codes in here, and I don't want to make those shop owners who I haven't bought anything from yet or encountered yet angry by putting those on the internet in my video, so we're not going to do that. So I'm sorry you don't get to see them, but I don't feel okay about doing that. So this is the August monthly kit from Willow stickers. So like I get confused because you would think that these go on the top, but like this washi's on this side, not one, so I don't know. But it's got washi, it's got the August and the bar. You put your days on, and I'm guessing you put your year on too. And it's got like all these like appointment boxes and flags and date dots, and the days of the week are right here. And then you've got like list boxes and a smaller list box, and then little post-it notey things and a whole bunch of other icons. Some more like appointment boxes, more washi over here, and then like a whole bunch of stuff like bill due, day off, don't forget, important, no school, happy birthday, payday. And they're all really cute. I don't have any sticker storage that these will fit in, but they're very cute. But it's also missing monthly sized boxes, which I'm very used to. So I'm probably going to be using this and stealing boxes out of either a Happy Planner book or one of Heather Kell's books, because she has a lot of like monthly florals and monthly this, and I think there's a seasonal monthly, and so I'll be grabbing boxes from anything that will match this. But it's really cute. I think I'd like it better with foil and monthly boxes, but it's cute and it will do what I need it to. So like if you don't like the whole full-blown crazy monthlies that I do, this might be a good option for you. I don't know. And then I bought one of her weekly kits to check them out. I figured I'm here, I will spend some money. So they kind of remind me of Planner Kate sheets, but I think those are actually taller. I have a lot of trouble. I've been to Planner Kate's site like 100 times, and I can't figure out the sizing over there at all. So I just don't buy anything. I just go look at it all, and I'm like, I would like to buy that, but I don't know if it'll fit in my planner, and then I leave. So this one is mostly purple, which I got because my daughter loves purple. So I do believe that this is washi, right? Yes. So there's a decent stretch of washi. So this is also washi. And then, oh, and then you've got a whole sheet of various sized washi. So that's cute. And it's all like purple and pink. And then there's this blue. That's very cute. Alright, so we got habit trackers, we know I love those. Date dots, days of the week, and heart checklists. Those are cute. Oh, the sheets have letters. So I have A, B, C, and F. So there must have been a couple of some things that either I didn't purchase, I don't use. I don't know how that works. I don't remember, that's the problem. Like I said, stuff has been sitting here. Wendy, how long ago did you ship me this? It was like May. No, it wasn't May. June? July? Might have been June or July. This is another one where I have to pull up my order. I will post it up on the screen. A, when I ordered it, and B, was I buying things by the sheet? Because I don't know. So we've got all these boxes of different sizes. Got all these icons and words. Planner session, payday, trash out, this week, no school, work to do, weekend. Like a lot of these are very familiar looking icons, so I like that. Same with the scallopy boxes, I love those. Got little appointment boxes. This oddly looks like a monthly size box. Maybe slightly, no, because it's not perfectly square. It's cute though. That's good for layering. Then we got more checklists, we got some bullets, and small, like, boxes right here. Like, quarter boxes or smaller. They're like appointment boxes. And then we've got these boxes, so there's decorative boxes, and there's little scalloped outlines, and then there's boxes you can write in. There's a lot of stuff to play with this. I was thinking I might swipe the girls' planners and do like their first week of school for them. Like as a, you know, enjoy going back to college kind of gift type deals. You know, not to buying them the planners and a billion stickers and all that stuff, and, you know, new clothes and all those things, you know. Let's do the planner pages too. So if I do that, I'll film it. So I would probably use this for Emily because it's purple. I really like this washi. It's super thick though. Like really super thick. Wide? Wide is a better word. It's very wide. But I like it. It's very pretty. And it all matches, which is always good. So I don't think I would have to pull a whole lot of extra stuff for this. If at all. I don't think I would. And then I got this sheet. This sheet is called D002. I don't really know what that's for, but it's just a bunch of boxes with hearts because I get so many packages. I only have so many stickers that say Happy Mail. So I thought a whole sheet of them, this might last me a month or two, maybe. So, but I like them. They're cute. They're black and white. You can just slap them down. You don't have to color them. You could color them. And then I got washi. So like I said, I wanted to try a bunch of different stuff. So I've got icons, a weekly kit, a monthly kit, and I got washi. So those are her washi stickers. This one was actually sticking on better. There we go. Oops. Oh, meatballs. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to cut as much of what just happened out as possible, but I had the washi in my hand and one of them tried to escape. So hopefully I managed to cut it all out. It was kind of funny, but that's done now. Okay, so I was going to try to show you the washi, and then it ran away. So this is a pink background. It's like a purpley pink, but it's more pink than purple, and it's got silver foiled rainbows with little clouds, and then it's got little clouds in between. And I just thought that was really adorable, and I don't have anything like that. So I grabbed that, and then she had this really pretty blue floral. And I really liked those flowers, so I grabbed that too. And of course I swatched them. She has her own page. Okay, so here's the silver. It's not like a hollow or anything, it's just really pretty silver foil. And then those are really pretty blue flowers. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. So I really like those. I was very impressed with the washi. Really good quality. Alright, so I'm going to take away from my small drops for a minute to mention something. So, spoiler alert, I ordered stuff from Plannything today, which I've never done before. And while there, I saw one of the things that Desiree had sent me like months and months and months ago. And I had put the washi she gave me in here as mystery washi. It matches almost perfectly a cover that she had given me that I didn't understand the purpose for. I was going to try to like put it around my personal planner and stuff. And I saw that cover on Plannything's website. It's for a mini. It was on sale, but it matches this, so I'm wondering if this came from Plannything. And I did, of course, order pens while I was there because that's the only thing that writes on vellum sticky notes and doesn't smudge. Alright, so that's all of it. So we got icons, we got a monthly kit, we got a weekly kit, we got some washi, and very cute freebies. And a whole bag of really cute freebies that I'm sorry I can't show you guys, but thank you very much, Wendy, for including that. That was very cool. So I'm going to leave their websites or Etsy shop because I think she's got both, but I don't remember. But Christine does have a website, so I'm gonna leave it all in the description so you guys can go check them out. They're not referral links, they're not affiliate links. I just, you know, like their stuff. And that's it. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.